Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you will find. First, you take out your true writer cursive capital letters book. So you take out your true writers cursive capital letters book and open page number 2. Open page number 2 and first you start your cursive writing work. Which type you write your in book? First you see, then you write. Trace all the given lines. Here write trace all the given lines. So first here you write the today date 10.7.20 and here you write the CW. You write in good handwriting and here first you put your pencil on the point and then you draw the line. You go under in arrow side. Neat and clean and good handwriting. You draw very carefully in good handwriting. Next, again you put your pencil on the point and you make a standing line in good handwriting. Again you put your pencil on the dot and you draw a standing line in good handwriting. Again you put your pencil on the dot and you draw a standing line. You draw neat and clean and good handwriting. Next, sleeping line. You draw sleeping line. Put your pencil on the point and you draw sleeping line in good handwriting. Again, you put your pencil on the dot and draw sleeping line. Good and neat and clean. Again, you draw the sleeping line. Good handwriting. Again, you draw the sleeping line. Next, slanting line. Slanting line, put your pencil on the point and you go down. With point you meet each other and you draw the line. Again, put your pencil on the point and meet with dot. Again, every dot you will meet and you draw the line. Again, put your pencil on the dot and you draw the slanting line. Again, you put your pencil on the dot and draw slanting line. Very carefully you do your work. Again, here you put your pencil on the point and you draw slanting line. Very carefully you draw. Again, put your pencil on the dot and you draw the slanting line. Again, you put the pencil on the dot and you draw slanting line. Again, you put the pencil on the dot and you draw slanting line. Very good. Next, you open page number 3. Page number 3, and here you write the today date 10-7-20 in good handwriting, and here you write CW, and connect each green dot to the red dot by tracing the dotted line. आपको क्या करना है? ट्रेसिंग करना है और मिलाना है. यू कनेक्ट करना है. नाउ यू स्टार्ट योर वर्क. You put your pencil on green point and you start your work. You touch the dot. Again, next. S type you draw in good handwriting and you reach the red dot. Next, green dot you draw neat and clean and good handwriting, and very slowly you do your work in good handwriting. As this time you do your work neat and clean and good handwriting. Next, you do your work very carefully and good handwriting. Next, green dot to connect with red dot. Very good. Next, again green dot to connect with red dots. Next, green dot to connect with red dots. Green dot to connect with red dots. You draw and write neat and clean. Very carefully you do your work. You are a good student, so you do your work neat and clean. Again, you start green dot to connect with red dots. Again, you put your pencil on green dot and connect with red dots. Again, you put your pencil on green dot and connect with red dots. Again, you put your pencil on green dot and connect with red dots. Very good. You do your work neat and clean and good handwriting. Very good. Very good. Next, again you put your pencil on green dot and you start your draw the line. Connect with red dots. In good handwriting, you draw the line. You look at me, which type you make the line, and you need connect green dot to red dot. Very carefully, slowly you do your work neat and clean and good handwriting. Look at your book and watch my hands. This type we draw the line in good handwriting. Very good. Next, green point. And slowly we connect every dot with each other and we draw the line. You write in good handwriting. Very good. Next, put your pencil on green dot and connect with dot. Every dot. We meet every dot and we draw the line. Very carefully. Good handwriting. Slowly, slowly. We do our work. Very good. Next, we put our pencil in green point and we start our work. We connect dot with dot and we draw the line and we reach the red point. Okay, very good. Again, you draw the line. You need and clean work complete. You do your work neat and clean. Again, put the pencil in green point and connect dot with dot, dot with dot and do your work in good handwriting. You do your work neat and clean and good handwriting. Again, you do draw the line. Very carefully, you draw the line. Very good. Next, again you draw the line. Neat and clean and good handwriting. Good. Next, again you draw the line. Again, you draw the line. And next, you put your pencil in green point and connect dot with dot. Very carefully you do your work. And you draw the line. Next again, very slowly you do your work, neat and clean and good handwriting. Very good. Next, again you connect dot with dot and you draw the line. Very good. As this type you do your work, you need your work very good handwriting and neat and clean. Thank you.